What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see and answer the question, is Temu free gift real or fake? So, short answer, Temu does offer real free gifts sometimes, but not every free gift claim you see online is legitimate. Here's how to tell the difference and stay safe. Temu runs promotions where users can get free or heavily discounted items, free gift codes, and free mystery boxes or simple items. These are usually offered inside the official Temu app or website, often as part of new user welcome offers, daily reward events, game-style spins, limited-time promotional campaigns, or push notification deals. It's important to know that when Temu itself runs the promo and you see it on the Temu app or official emails, it is legitimate. But many so-called Temu free gift links you see on the web or social media are not real Temu promotions. These can be scams or phishing links, fake websites pretending to be Temu and offer asking for your password, payment info, or social security info. Just claim free gift posts that lead to survey or ads. Those you gotta beware of them. So, to stay safe, only use Temu's official channels like the mobile app, Temu.com, official Temu emails, and verified Temu social accounts. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.